For over a quarter century, Omega has designed and manufactured cleaning and recycling equipment for all types of industries. Today, environmental concerns touch all aspects of a company's operations, from administration to production. Solvents and wipers used in cleaning and degreasing are in many production lines an essential yet costly and environmentally sensitive operation. Omega has developed, through intensive research and development, the revolutionary Shop Towel On-Site Recycling System, or STORE. If you have outrageous external wiper cleaning costs, if most of your used solvent goes with your dirty wipers, if your company is subjected to unnecessary environmental liabilities, and if you desire to reduce your operation costs to a minimum, then here is the solution. STORE. Omega's in-house, state-of-the-art, airtight dirty wiper cleaning, waste solvent recycling, and water splitting system has just been released to industry. Our on-site R&D project was conducted by our technicians at a CHOSA beta site, being Canada's largest printing facility, RBW Transcontinental Printing, in Owen Sound, Ontario. Through this project, it was discovered that not only the STORE system could save the company in excess of $160,000 per year with a very fast return on investment, but that Omega could also do it with a fully automated, easy-to-operate technology. Previously, the used dirty wipers were collected and sent out weekly for cleaning by an outside laundering company for a very high service fee. The dirty wipers were generally contaminated with dirty solvents, waste ink, grease, dirt, and dust. For the company, this created very high wiper cleaning expenses. The STORE system begins with the collection of dirty wipers from all the production departments within the facility: press room, finishing, and maintenance. The dirty ink, solvent, and water-soaked wipers are loaded into a stainless steel drum with front-end loading for operator ease. Additional dirty waste solvents can be placed into the drum at this time. The loading door is closed and locked. Then the operator proceeds to start the cleaning cycle by activating the pre-programmed state-of-the-art PLC computer programmer. A lighted diagram shows the operator every sequence of operation as the machine goes through its cycles. Once the computer program has been activated, the machine takes over, and the wipers are washed and rinsed multiple times using the plant's existing cleaning solvent, which is contained in tanks below. Following the wash and rinse cycles, the wipers are then subjected to a high-speed centrifuge. All the waste dirty solvent and water is sent to a holding tank for further processing. The machine then enters a drying cycle, and the wipers are dried with all remaining solvent water extracted and separated. Once the wipers are dried and the cool-down cycle finishes, the clean wipers are removed from the machine and placed in carts for reuse back into production, and the next load is readied for washing. During this complete process, there are no VOC emissions since the STORE process is a totally closed system. In the dirty waste solvent and water holding tank, the water is separated from the solvent and the dirty solvent is brought down into a vacuum still for distillation. Following the distillation process, a mechanical separator pulls off any water and allows only virgin solvent to be collected back into the holding tanks for reuse. The wastes from the still are removed every week and collected for waste haulage as a slurry. The distillation system can be valved for segregated waste stream processing from and to separate holding tanks or to reuse if desired. With respect to features, the Omega system is loaded. 2 or 3 tanks, 5 variable user-defined drum speeds, infinite variable level control, a totally flexible interconnected solvent routing system, fully programmable computer control, full manual override, complete temperature control and indication, a drying sensor, a solvent cooler. These are just a few of the features which makes the Omega STORE system unique in the world. An integral part of STORE is the state-of-the-art filtration and distillation systems. In Omega's distillation system, a vacuum pump develops a high vacuum, yielding a pure distillate at a low boiling temperature. The distillation vacuum still units are fully automatic and come equipped with safeties, controls, and alarms. A variety of explosion-proof filtration systems are also available. These explosion-proof solvent purification systems use techniques and components which have proven themselves in the petrochemical industry for reliability, performance, and endurance over many years. In designing the store system, Omega has taken safety features to the limit of present-day technology. Safety systems such as oxygen monitoring, nitrogen blanketing, over-temperature safety shutoff, internal sprinkler system, and pressure release systems are just a few of the many levels of safety which are built into each and every model. In recognition of Omega's extreme and rigorous safety features, all Omega models have been completely approved and certified by an independent recognized safety testing laboratory as fully explosion-proof, Class 1, Division 2. This in itself says a lot for the quality, design, and workmanship of the Omega store system. Store is an integrated, skid-mounted, airtight turnkey system for easy installation. Complete, easy-to-understand instructions as well as startup commissioning and training is also included. The system is available in 40 to 100-pound capacities depending on the volume of dirty wipers that you are going to process. A return on investment of about 6 to 18 months is usual, rendering the store system economical and efficient, with benefits becoming immediately apparent. Witness firsthand the experience of a store system user.
I was approached 3 years ago by Transcontinental Printing in Owen Sound. They had a specific problem, that was to deal with solvent recycling. Through technology research and development, we were able to not only develop a system that recycled the solvent, but also deal with the cleaning on-site of the wipers, as well as reducing the VOC emissions to actually totally eliminating them. We're very happy and very, very pleased with the store system at this point in time.
We wanted to address two issues in our plant. First was ensuring that our company was compliant with all the environmental regulations associated with contaminated solvents. And secondly, to try to address some cost issues associated with the purchase of new solvents and disposal of the waste solvents.
And your management, what was their reaction to this new project of recycling shop towels?
We're very excited. It addresses both those issues extremely well. It has reduced our costs on the purchase of new materials and has eliminated the use of an outside laundry service.
What about performance? Was it up to your expectations?
Actually, it's exceeded our expectations in all areas. We have extremely clean shop towels. We're also able to reuse the solvent right into the printing process, and we've minimized our waste disposal fees in terms of the contaminated solvents.
And how has the installation of the system impact your environmental concerns?
It has really laid to rest a lot of the concerns we had associated with dealing with the contaminated solvents to the point where we feel our risk associated with that is minimal.
Omega has always met the needs of its thousands of customers throughout the world. Quality, workmanship, and dedication to total customer satisfaction is what Omega is all about. Store, developed by Omega, is a coherent, comprehensive operational production system which is designed to work with low operator intervention and maintenance. The store system, which is totally Canadian made, comes with complete technical support and a 1 full-year parts warranty. Parts availability as well as technical assistance is only a phone call away. For further information about our system, contact Omega at 1-800-361-1194 or local 514-737-0551.